The boat we're going to take a video tour of today is a gorgeous 2007 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. It's located in Hampstead, North Carolina. You can see we're starting out here in the cockpit by the huge U-shaped aft seat. This hatch I'm standing on, the entire hatch comes up electrically, which would reveal twin 6.2 liter MerCruiser engines rated at 320 horse each. They have about 450 hours on them and have V-drive transmissions. We do have a generator with comparable hours. See, we've got the port side seat here. This boat is absolutely loaded with options, including a high-end factory installed stereo system. Hurricane Dorian came through here about a week or so, so you can see they still have the electronics covers tied down, which I am not going to remove. The boat suffered zero damage from the storm, nor did it have any damage from Florence last year. See, double wide helm seat with flip-up thigh rises. Another custom feature on this boat is the full camper aft with enclosure. You can see that isinglass is in, I hope you can see, is in really good shape. And we do have the full enclosure all the way around. Front section's just a little bit cloudy. You might want to get that replaced, but not a lot of expense there. And as we talk about high dollar options, how often do you see a bow thruster on a 32 Sundancer? Let me answer for us. Not very often, but I sure love it when we do. So again, this boat's a 2007, but it was used in fresh water at Lake Norman near Charlotte, North Carolina through 2015. So it's really been only used here at the coast for about 4 years or so. That center section has a U-zip with screens. There's a TV that mounts out here. And we'll take a look down in the cabin area. See, off on the starboard side here we've got the crescent dinette. There's a table that mounts right there, which is stowed up under the forward berth. Panning around to the forward berth. And opposite on the port side, of course, is where our galley is at. So you got the fridge down below, big storage area under the sink, 2-burner electric stove. We have the microwave up top here. And panning forward, that TV will slide out. I believe that's a DVD player right up there. I think that the video will show, but this boat has been very well cared for by both of her owners. Nice cherry wood interior decor. Again, looking aft at the dinette. And I screwed up. I was supposed to organize those life jackets before I shot this. My bad. These are just some extra life jackets that the boat owners have. And so I can change the subject and stop picking on myself. Here's a big, newer, flat screen smart TV. And back to Mike's messy mid-cabin. Again, those cushions are also in very good condition. That white cushion there's a table out in the cockpit, and which is stowed under the engine hatch. That table will drop down and make into a sunbed. Central vacuum system. And we'll get a look at the enclosed head. So we have vacuum flush head. Again, everything shows very clean and very well maintained. Alright, so 2007 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, only 2 owners. Big 6.2 liter engines, which were the biggest engines available with V-drives. Boat's located in Hampstead, North Carolina. Bow thruster, custom camper top, underwater lights, high-end stereo system. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I'd love to help. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.